Hey guys, welcome back to Festive Forever. In today's vlog, we are purely going to indulge ourselves into some North Indian food. Punjab the Chula has been quite popular for serving some delicious Amritsari food. I have also heard that their kulchas are not just yum, but it does not loses its authenticity. So let's get in. This place is purely for people who really want to enjoy some authentic food. अमृतसर में तो आपने बहुत खाया होगा and sometimes when you come back you just miss that place, right? So I am here only to eat. There is no fancy ambience. The entire ambience is just authentic and very simple. No AC, nothing. So today we are only going to eat food. The first thing that I have with me is this chole bhatura. I'm gonna go ahead and make my bite. These bhaturas are so yummy and let me tell you, the dish is very much fragrant. Their cholas, their bhaturas, उनके भटूरे इतने मोटे मोटे हैं. Usually the chole bhature that you get in malls or in other joints, they are very different. So इसका जो texture है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा thick है. Now let's make some yummy bite. First we're gonna add some छोले. छोले के साथ ये यम्मी वाली चटनी जो ग्रीन चटनी होती है that we have. इसके बिना तो I don't think so छोले खाने में कुछ मज़े है because इसका जो ट्रेडिशनल टेस्ट होता है, like the taste is so yummy. This chutney is somewhere खट्टा खट्टा type, so I like that. My bite is ready. Now I'm gonna put it in my mouth. This bite is quite huge. भटूरा इतना ज़्यादा थिक है. इनफैक्ट द छोलेस आर सो नाइस. इतने सिंपल है बट इतने ज़्यादा टेस्टी है. आई एम गोना हैव वन मोर बाइट. छोले ना ऐसे एक्सट्रीमली स्पाइसी या फिर ज़्यादा मसाले से भरे, इट्स नथिंग लाइक दैट. द फ्लेवर्स आर वेरी माइल्ड बट येट टेस्टी. यू कुड एक्चुअली टेस्ट द टेस्ट ऑफ छोले. मतलब छोले का जो बेसिक टेस्ट होता है वो आ रहा है. एंड ऑन द टॉप द कलर इज़ सो ब्राइट. आई ऑल्सो एडेड टमेटो प्यूरी इन इट. चटनी में थोड़ा ऐसा सार और टैंगी टेस्ट है. सो इफ़ यू वॉन्ट यू कैन कॉल फॉर मोर चटनी विच आई एम डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू थम्स अप. क्या कुलचा है, super crispy. So here you get this kulcha which is loaded with lots of butter. Then again you get chole. Now one thing that I have heard or I have like noticed here that chole and chutney you get it for free, so you can call for them as much as you like. And then some onion, pickle, achar, जो भी आपको बोलना है. Then again chutney. And these kulchas are very crispy. So let's move on to eating. कुलचा का जो क्रिस्पीनेस है वो तो बहुत ही बढ़िया है. सो यमी. आई एम गोइंग टू मेक माई बाइट अगेन विद छोले चटनी. आई डोंट थिंक सो आई कैन एवर ईट कुलचाज एंड छोले विदाउट चटनी. अनियन ऑब्वियसली मेन इंग्रेडिएंट. अगेन माई बाइट इज सुपर ह्यूज. Everything that you're gonna get here is very authentic and right from the Amritsar. The kulchas are the best one that you can ever have, at least what I had. There's one more kulcha place that I really love, that is Sainath Kulchas, which is in Chembur. Specifically, problem क्या हो जाता है, kulchas you get at a lot of places but you don't get that authentic kulcha. This kulcha is loaded with onions and आलू और इसमें जो आलू की फिलिंग है that is pretty evident. Potatoes are not literally mashed, and you can see that there is some jeera. You won't be able to taste that much of jeera because of the chole, but then jeera, potato and onion, the best combination in this world. And on the top they have added so much of butter with coriander leaves. Too good. I'm having this leftover bite that I kept aside. Now we have maa ki dal, that is dal makhni. Dal makhni and rice is my favorite, but apparently they don't serve rice over here, so I have opted for lachha paratha. Lachha paratha is topped with so much of butter. Oh my god, it's all buttery, and as I don't know if you are aware or no, but then lachha paratha is of lot of or many layers, like, and I can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 layers are there, and I always like to crumble my lachha paratha before I can just have it. So this is what I do, and butter की quantity इसमें इतने है कि मेरी हाथ में ही लग रही है. And then we have this yummy dal makhni, lachha paratha and dal makhni. Not the combination that I preferred, but then I had to give it a try. I want to actually taste this dal makhni solo. If I would have got rice with this dal makhni, heaven. I'm not sure. लच्छा पराठा के साथ मुझे उतना टेस्ट अच्छा नहीं आ रहा है, ज़्यादा ऐसा फ्लेवर, मतलब ज़्यादा भर के दे हैव नॉट एडेड मसाला. आई थिंक वो जो दाल होती है ना, लाइक यूजुअली पीपल ऐड क्रीम एंड लॉट ऑफ other stuff and make it very fancy, but this dal makhni is the one that you get it, you know, मतलब वो pot में डाल के you just cook overnight. It's somewhere like that. Dal makhni is basic but awesome. You are 100% going to love it if you're a dal makhni lover, and if you're not, then I don't think so you're anyways going to love it. But don't expect this dal makhni to be very fancy. Basic flavor, basic taste, मसाले उतने नहीं है, and of course dal makhni cannot be made without tomato puree. Too good. You're gonna love this place, guys. You're gonna simply love it. Just come to eat. And let me tell you, if you will see around, there is also a queue, so people are waiting here to eat food. उसके साथ they have also suggested this masala thumbs up. Nothing, it's just thumbs up and जीरा और चाट मसाला. Actually वो जीरा और चाट मसाला दोनों शायद से डाला है, that's why the taste is somewhere like that. You know that jaljeera, it's very similar to that, or it's just the replica of the same. Now it's time to end my vlog, and before I end my vlog, I have called for jalebi rabdi. It's my favorite combination, thandi rabdi, which I can totally feel here, with good ki jalebi. So this jalebi is not the normal one, it's the good one, and that's why the color is little on the darker side, and it's looking very oily apparently. So we are gonna taste one. Let's eat it. Freshly made garam jalebi. Sweetness is not too much. I think when you're eating gud ka jalebi, the sweetness is little lesser than your sugar jalebi. Garam. Can you hear it? Crunchiness from the jalebi, super crispy, very hot. Relatively it's lesser on sugar content. This jalebi is juicy and jaggery is melted, that's why the taste is just super, too good. So guys, now it's time to rate this place on my festive meter. I was literally awe about this place because Punjab Da Chula, first of all, serves very authentic food, and second of all, at such a reasonable price. It's a completely, you know, a fab or tasty place. मतलब जिनको सिर्फ खाना पसंद है ना, that you like North Indian food, मतलब दाल मखनी, कुलचा and छोले भटूरे, छाछ, thumbs up with masala, all these things you get here and at such a reasonable price. Did you check out my bill? It was just $1,000, and for $1,000 I literally called for 4-5 things, and I think it's very pocket friendly. First of all, I was little skeptical about the place. इतना बढ़िया खाना, इतना बढ़िया taste right from the kulcha. If you're coming here, you must have 2-3 things that I would 100% recommend. First is chole bhature, second is kulcha and dal makhni. These 3 things are a must try from this place. Kulcha, whatever you like it. There is one more kulcha called Siti Mar Kulcha. If you like spicy food, then you can go for that as well. Other than that, I think if I ever want to eat something very tasty and authentic and I don't want to go at any fancy place, and I would 100% come here. This place first of all opens at 10 o'clock in the morning. You can come here and have some chole bhatura or kulcha for your breakfast. I think it's a hidden gem and a must try considering all the factors. So in this, I'm just considering price and food, that's it. So if I consider both the factors, I'm gonna rate this place 10 on 10 on my festive meter, and people are very lovely over here. Thumbs up to them. So guys, I think that's all for today. I'm gonna see you in my next vlog. Till then, live life festive style. Bye bye.